Hi guys, ça fait comment bienvenue sur la chaîne moi. Si c'est une fois que vous êtes là, encore bienvenue. Moi c'est Giovanni. Avant de commencer avec la vidéo aujourd'hui, guys, pas oublier pour nous abonner avec la chaîne là, la vidéo ça un petit like et regardez la vidéo jusqu'à la fin pour que ton bel petit commentaire pour moi en bas, ok? So vidéo aujourd'hui, guys, c'est un petit vlog, ok? Moi avec Zamine. Avec Zamine, Cathy, nous connaissons Cathy déjà. Cathy sur la chaîne là.
Nous connaissons.
Je vais perk me faire sur Cathy. Je vais mettre perk là.
Manquez-moi, je sais.
On connaît faire deux perks sur, I think. Yeah, so j'ai acheté Uggs là pour moi. And I remember that time I pricked you and then I said, oh, give it back. Yeah. Yeah, and then après ça me défend on l'autre prick. Je mets des pricks en l'air là. So si vous voulez regarder prick, je vais faire sur Cathy.
Et voyons.
Mettez là, okay, I got it. But yeah, so nous venons Washington DC, okay? Washington.
Nous venons à Mounio.
Nous venons à Biden. Nous venons de Biden Messi. Yo, I'm weak. Nous venons de Biden Messi en ville. Peut-être mon petit Biden you'll voyer pour nous.
Amen.
So, but yeah, yeah, nous venons Washington DC, guys. Not boy, okay? That reminds me of that thing, not boy. Not boy. Not boy. Boom, boom. Mais ça, la boy. Ça sont du vin, oui. But like, les goûts, guys. XXL. Les goûts en pile. Like, it tastes really good.
Strawberry and
grapes. Yeah. So, fraise avec.
Comment tu grapes?
Fraise avec grapes. But yeah, you get lot fruit by ça fait la veille, but this one ça bon pile. Like it's really good. But yeah, so nous allons préparer nous pour nous sortir, nous allons en côté so m'amener nous avec et puis m'apprendre petite vidéo capable. I don't know, je ne sais pas. So now allez. Avant de continuer, je vais montrer nous the apartment. Oh, don't leave me là too, I think. Oh. But yeah, so ça y est là. L'entrée. You got that là. They tried. USA. That should look bad weird. USA. They tried their best. You can say là et puis nous go c'est couloir long like on marché. Katia oui. Où tout marché m'a fait guys. Et puis mes salons hein. OK, mes salons à manger. So salam manger campé. Guys, okay, we're crazy. Okay, I'm so excusez-moi. Ça c'est le canapé. Mais cuisine là, frigidaire. Petit frigidaire tout skinny. Mais Cathy est là, il te l'autre bois moi move le campé là. Il y a laundry. Okay. Une toilette là. Me voici. Ton autre miroir là. La toilette. Okay, the shower. Ouais, sérieux, guys. Petit appartement. Et mes chambres là. Okay. Le petit closet là. Okay. Ça, regardez l'autre. Chambre. Ok, carbone moun yo, ouais. Carbone. Yeah. On y voilà. Oh, my ass looks fat. Oh, yeah. Huh?
Your ass look fat?
Mm-hmm.
I'm good. What's the ass look fat?
And this guy's got on view. Got on caca. Yo, guys, why would they do that? Like, got on view. Bah, pas bon même. Yo, view pas bon même. Like, pas quelqu'un view. Et puis, go pas de rat l'autre bois, guys. Oh, but man, Western Camoutre, got you. Posez la caméra privée. Oui. Play rat. Yo, guys.
There's so much rats here.
Yo, c'est tellement plein de rat là. Regardez, mais yo, regardez. Regardez, nous, yo. You could see them clearly.
They're like,
Regardez. Au paquet, oui.
They're over there.
Yo, bah là-bas, mon bébé.
See, I can block.
That's crazy, bro. I swear. No, I got you. Got it.
Girl, it's like 15 rats.
Bamba clat. Blood clat.
15 rats.
Au paquet, bon rat, boss. Hey guys. Aujourd'hui, samedi. Oui, je parle français, tu ne sais pas. Aujourd'hui, samedi, on allait dans
I'm too hungry
le
for that.
brunch. On allait manger parce que on est grand goût.
On a faim.
On a fait on a besoin de
La nourriture.
on a besoin de la nourriture.
On doit manger.
Oui. But anyways, guys, nous allons au brunch, so nous allons manger. Nous grand goût. Il fait 1h, guys. Nous allons manger depuis le matin. Nous ne pouvons pas manger rien. C'est le seulement boire.
Dormi.
Yo, no for bossy dormir. We were lit last night. I was lit. But yeah, so nous allons manger. So yeah, now we're going to give you a lot more because it's brunch. So il fait 1h. Nous avons une réservation à 1h. So nous allons manger. Yeah, nous allons manger. So I'll see you guys there. Now we're going to leave it.
Okay, bye.
I got you too in that one. Higher than high, motherfucker. He said around the purple thing, so I guess this way. She said around the purple thing, so I guess this way. Hello. Wait, what? Oh. Mandatory. Please scan and sign your safety. Oh, we did that already. Okay, so nous là, no. Come here inside Dopamine Land? Yeah. We already did that one. That's what we did upstairs, yeah. So cool. Just took a picture right there.
Cool, me?
Yeah.
Sure.
Doors are now open.
No pit rules, no shoes, no diving. Oh, you can go in there. You can go. You can go. You just can't jump. You can't have your shoes. You can't dive. Huh? Oh, okay. Thank you. In the dopamine land in Washington, D.C. That's so cute. Leave me out of bed, like, they like wolves and mauve at the same time.
Please,
Wolves and mauve.
or
And
stand
blue.
if you'd like. I am Anima, your guide through.
Wow. That's so cool. Wow. Guys, it's so cute. Wow. I love that. I'm about to have a room like that in my house. Like, yo, what the heck? Couldn't nobody know about shop.
Listening to tunes isn't the only musical way to release dopamine. Playing an instrument can have an even greater
Yon place pour nous écrire. I think I want. Allez, you can show it yet.
Right here.
Huh?
Oh, this is the wall.
I know something. Yeah. I'm l'écrit là.
What you writing?
Max and Geo forever.
Oh, no!
Okay, guys. Je vais l'écrire pour. Parce que je suis fanatique Elliot, guys. Je vais l'écrire Team Elliot. Okay? Period. Yeah, that one I think is brighter. Yeah.
The walls throughout the center of this room are constantly moving and shifting. As you touch them, you're altering the experience for someone on the other side, delivering an unexpected moment.
That's your hand. That's your hand, no?
When another
No.
visitor will do the same for you. So, go ahead and touch the wall, but understand that it may touch you back.
Uh-oh.
Do you feel the anticipation building?
No.
That's dopamine at work.
It's just like, no, it's not really like how you think. I feel like.
The center of this room are constantly moving and shifting. As you touch them, You're altering the experience of someone on the
Oh,
other
it goes in
side,
the dark.
delivering an unexpected moment. And you never know when another visitor will do the same for you. So, go ahead
That's
and
cool.
touch the wall, but understand that it may touch you back. Do you feel
I'm
the
saying, like,
anticipation building?
La. Hello.
So we definitely have clipboards over here for you to be able to start this process. We got 8 smells over here. Y'all can work together, or you can repeat this and we'll see whose nose is the worst. We got sounds over here once you get done with that. There's only 5 sounds. There's not 12. Please don't put 12 sounds. I'm gonna have to admit you. Okay? So then you put 5, and then I can check it and see if you're right or wrong. After you get done with that, y'all can take turns reaching inside of the box and see what's going on in there.
Oh gosh.
Gumball machine. After you get done with that, let your inner kid out.
Okay. You want to compete or you want to do it together?
Together.
Yeah, don't be both wrong now.
So we smell this. Catch a whiff. So, nobody put something on. Esse é gas para que está lá bem. Mas nunca pus something aí mesmo.
Hello, how you doing?
What is that? I can't smell anything.
Oh, lucky bitch.
I'm tired. Oh my! I'm back up with something, guys. Man,
Okay,
like,
well, but I
try
check my
again.
ass. One more. Nah. Non. Pas du tout.
I'm back up with something.
Jamais.
That's great.
Oh non, pourquoi ça?
So, good night, run go there. So, presently. Get out, Babu. No, remember? We didn't get a board, did we? No. Wait, I think we need a board. Oh, we have to get it right here? Okay. It's just one, so you can just have one.
Yeah, we're
Okay.
Oh, here.
Okay. So, le tableau, faut que nous écrire information là-dedans. Laisse nous passer. What's the smell? Qu'est-ce que numéro 1?
You can just try to match it up with the lines, or you can just write a number next to the sound you think it is.
Okay. Pizza?
Oh my gosh. I just felt this too.
No, I really can't smell. That's so tight. Tomatoes? Numéro 3? Really?
Yeah.
Okay. One carrot.
Let me take that for
Yeah.
Oh, I can smell this one. Numéro 5.
Yeah.
Bonfire?
What did you put? Sustain motion. Okay. Numéro 6.
Quelle est pour me dégueuler pour la soirée?
No?
Oh.
I gotta
One more.
change it. Just gotta change.
Christmas tree.
1-6. One more? Nah, that's the same motion.
So what was this one then? 5. That's what I'm doing.
Can serve to delight and deliver your mood. Every time you step outside, you're bound to set your neurotransmitters at
Oh, okay. So li van mette melanda la e pi li ba kon ki sa ganda.
Don't worry, it's not go back.
It's okay. Mpo mesu. Like,
Go down.
go like this.
Go down. You gotta get in there. No, further.
Go down.
Your friend is scared.
She's scared.
This is insane. Okay, pull it out now. Pull it up. Yep. And. Oh.
Are you disappointed?
Both of this over here.
Huh?
What is it?
Shells? Inside? Oh, pine cone.
Yep.
And what called chiclet? Pour moi comme si guess. Pour moi guess que goût chiclet là. Oh, I got two of the same thing. Pour moi guess que goût gonna be.
It's for free.
No, I know. I have to guess what flavor it is. It's a mysterious flavor. Yeah. Wow. That's so cool. Not it, guys. Oh my goodness.
That's the pillows.
Yo. Like what? Pillow fight. It's supposed to be a pillow fight. If there was a lot of people, that would have been cool. That's it. Yeah. Yeah.
Very demure.
Yeah. Yeah. Period. Period. Very cute. Yeah, I'm gonna take it. Come on, little Kakati. Cup? Oh, I don't know why I thought it was a different name. But Yamute Cup. It's so cool. It's so nice here. Look what's going on in the Visa. Not it, guys. Hey guys. So yeah, c'est dans l'après-midi. Ok, après le matin, c'est l'après-midi. Ok, so maintenant, nous allons manger au restaurant chinois. Ok, nous allons manger de noodles, un sushi, de dumpling, you know, boy avec viande dedans. And then, you know, nous allons... Yo. But... But... Nous manger boy avec viande. But, yeah, so nous allons manger kounia. Si m'ta dit nous qu'il a lié, et puis nous allons manger kounia. Big back activities. Godo. Bah, godo qu'a fait là. La pote là. Ok. But yeah, so nous allons manger. Outfit Lancôme. Nous tous mettons tout noir. Mais ça you posé. But moi, je mets des sneakers, tennis blush. But, yeah, nous allons manger. Oh, Lord. But yeah, very calm, very cutesy, very classy, very demure. It's given.
So you'll see it start like getting brown and it's gonna keep moving it around.
Okay.
Yeah, I got you.
Salt and pepper? Just salt? Ooh, okay. Yeah. Nous finissons manger. We fuck that shit up.
Took it before.
Yeah. Nous pas manger ça, guys. Nous devons. Et pas nous manger, non, manger nous. Manger nous, guys. Oh, damn, man. Non. Dans la rue, il a marché là, guys. Believe it or not. Non, je dis que ça, dans la rue, il a marché là. Believe it or not. Non, mais dans la rue, il y a là. Nous, la lumière. Oh my God. Literally. On va faire tout le monde dehors. Bah, tout le monde élève collégien, le tout dehors. Hey guys. Jeudi à dimanche matin. Je vais faire 11h. I know, right? Ou pas faire mal? Because I could hold it. What? Mais quand il y a battu, regarde. Quand il y a battu pour nous faire manette, oui? Oh, you got it. But, yeah, nous parlons de aujourd'hui, guys. But avant nous aller, nous avons parlé déjà, il fait 10h49, nous supposé checker dans l'hôtel là à 11h, but nous avons parlé, tout le monde nous parler, so nous prêts pour nous aller, nous allons manger avant nous aller conduire. So, yeah, parce que conduire c'est 5 hours, right? Like 4 hours, 45. Yeah, 4 temps, parce que conduire pour nous arriver à la caille, c'est 4 temps et demi, 4 temps. So, nous allons manger avant pour nous avoir énergie. Énergie pour notre petit drive ça. OK. So yeah, je vais tout faire mes vlogs là. Ou bien mener nous avec pendant nous pas manger et puis après ça m'a fait mes vlogs là parce que pas rien encore et là quand nous aller. So après manger then m'a fait mes vlogs là après manger breakfast. So yeah. We outside.
That was the last TikTok I made in Haiti, and then that was my phone.
Oh my God, yeah. I still can't believe that shit happened. It's so nice out here.
Wondering how much this one
For the tour? Yeah.
It's really cute.
Yeah.